Hey YouTube, welcome back. I haven't do this ASMR for a while now, so here we go. So my wife purchased this musical box, the ballet dancer, and unfortunately one of the musical box, the lid doesn't close or shut tight. It has a little gap on the top of the lid and between the box and everything, so I went to return back to the coast, which they accept the return for Amazon, and they shipped this new musical box right away, so hopefully this one is good, so we don't need to return it again. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. So this is by LENOX. And here is the product description right here. This one is the childhood memories ballerina jewelry box, 7-inch. And here is the SKU number, and it is made in China. Here is the UPC or the barcode. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company, so use this cardboard because there's a lining right here to protect it. So as you can see, the lid is shut correctly this time, because the last one we have problem is like this. There's a gap. Not sure the hinge is not bent correctly or what's going on. You got the nice silver plate heart. It's a special border design. And you got the heart, tiny heart right there. There's a meter right here. And you got the heart over this side as well. And then this is the wine, the musical. And then you got for this leg. Oh, this you could screw it on screw. And right here is like a belt or some kind of material right here on the bottom, pink. Got the LENOX. It's going to open this up. So it is for release. Got this tray that you can remove it. Silicone gel. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.